So let's just say, for argument's sake, we want to now edit that document. So we select it, we go back into the template, and we find that we can now type freely to edit it. So let's just say, for argument's sake, we wanted to add an affiliate to party A. So we call that party A, B, C, Co. 2. Now let's say that's the only amendment we want to make. So then we want to save it as completed. So we go either delete, save in progress, or save as completed. So we save it. The app will ask you, are you sure you want to do that? So you say yes. And now you see the revised affiliate ABC Code 2 is now in that document. Now the interesting thing is, when you go back to find it, it's now in a different color scheme called completed. So you're now free to manage the terms of this particular confidentiality agreement. Now let's just say, for argument's sake, the very next day, you have to do the same document but with a different company. So rather than starting from scratch and rather than redrafting a Word document, you can simply go into the filing cabinet. So you try and find it. You go ABC. You find the document. You see that it's completed. So then you go here and you say, I would like to vary those terms. So you go in and again you get to open up that same document. Let's say on Monday we only wanted to disclose one thing to XYZ, but on Tuesday we decide we want to disclose two things to them. So we'll make an amendment. We'll say here, key assumptions. Two things will now be disclosed. Okay? So, and we know that we don't need to alter that. We know that that's the only change we want to make. But we still have the option to save it in progress or save it as complete. So let's just save it as complete. And the app will ask you again, are you sure? So now, you will see that that's now amended to two things will now be disclosed. So that is its own. When you go back to find ABC, you'll see that it's now the second document. So within a space of a minute and a half, we were able to create the second document based on using the first template. So the second document, the document we created on the Tuesday, is a child of the parent document. And the way we know that is here on the parent document, it now reads one variation. Quite often companies struggle to find which document relates to which situation and what were the variation terms. Contract Kiosk automates and controls the sequence of variation and records it. So all you have to do is open up the documents themselves, manage the issues, but when you come to this page, you know the relationship between those documents. Another way of doing it is you go way back to the start of the app and you say, on Wednesday, I want to create confidentiality deed number 3. So I have the option of going to use a blank template.